Hi, it's February 8th, 2025. It is 5 days into this shoulder surgery for my rotator cuff repair. Remember, 3 tears as well as some bicep damage that was all repaired. I have been sleeping on our lazy boy couch, so I'm sleeping mostly upright and getting better at that every night. Last night I slept okay. I only took Tylenol during the day yesterday, and then last night I did go to bed. I took the stronger narcotic pills as I went to bed last night. I took 3 total overnight. That's down from the night before. I think I probably had 5 the previous night. Every 3 hours I was taking pills. Is that right? I don't know. I'd have to go do the math. I haven't done the math. But last night from about 4 until 7, I slept pretty good, 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. And then I fell asleep at 7:30 a.m. again and slept for a good hour, hour and a half. So feeling decent today. Boy, I really miss being in the bed though. Right now I have my sling off. As you can see, I was doing my arm exercises, which are pretty simple. Just back up here a little bit. And, I'm bending my arm, bending the wrist, rotating it back and forth. And then I have the squeezy ball thing downstairs, which I'll go down and do in a few minutes. The pain is mostly tolerable. If I'm sitting and doing nothing and bored, I notice it and I feel it. If I'm busy doing things, yesterday I was playing around with my printer, my 3D printer. I didn't notice anything at all. I was playing around with the computer, didn't notice any pain at all. So the busier I am, the better I am. It occupies my brain, so it's healing nicely, I guess I should say overall. I am looking forward to physical therapy next week on Wednesday to see where that takes me and what exercises I'll have to do from there. But all in all, it's more of an annoyance than it is painful. And just the boredom of sitting around all day, just waiting, because I really can't go do things right now. I'd love to just go for a drive or go somewhere and walk around, but I still think it's a little too early for that. A couple more days and I'll be able to go out in public again, be among the people. Right now, if I got bumped, it would be very painful if something happened. So just kind of playing it safe. I am going to go back to work on Monday, so I have today and tomorrow to rest, and then Monday I'll be back at work. I know it's a desk job, and I work from home right here in this chair, and it has a nice armrest on it, so it really doesn't feel too bad. We'll see how it goes when I have to do this for an extended period. With that said, I'm going to wrap this up and call it a day. Talk to you later. Bye.